In this video, let me show you how to fix Singapore Bank two-factor authentication. Whether you have an account of any Singapore bank, whether it be GSX or DBS Digibank, there could be a few reasons why this may be happening. Firstly, your digital token notification may not be appearing. So if you're trying to log in into a computer or an authorized online transaction, but the 2FA prompt does not pop up on the phone that you have access to, you need to head over to the notification settings within your phone and then simply locate the bank application and make sure that the notification is enabled. Secondly, there is a mandatory 12-hour security cool-off period. For example, if you set up your account on a new device, you would not be able to get the notification instantly, so wait out at least 12 hours before you try to get the notification and then log into your account using the two-factor authentication. Also make sure that you remove any sort of ad blockers as well as VPNs that you might be connected to. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can do is just reinstall the application, because sometimes applications have bugs, and once you do reinstall it, the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.